This is the Magic Inkless print kit by Smallprint. It's available for purchase online in select baby boutiques or directly from your Smallprint franchise owner. The Magic Inkless print kit by Smallprint is a perfect memorabilia kit. You take the prints at home, paste them into your baby book, pop them into a picture frame on the nursery wall, or send them back to your local franchise owner for her to make some beautiful hand or footprint jewelry for you. It's a simple 3-step process for the Magic Inkless print kit. Open the package and take out the wiper. After you have wiped the wiper all over the hand or footprint, press it down firmly on the paper. You'll notice on the paper it says take prints on the reverse side. This is an important step, so don't miss it. Wipe, press, and print. 3 easy steps.